Hey friends, I just got some really happy mail, so I had to share with you. Yes, this is another Diamond Art Club. This is an older kit, so I actually got this out of one of the DAC fan club. So this is in a Facebook group. It's a private group, and it's a great community. If you want to be a part of it, just let me know, and I will get you a link so that you can ask to join. But what's really wonderful about DAC fans is it gives you an opportunity to kind of buy, sell, and trade in kind of a safe, supportive community. And there was a older kit, which is a round kit, and that I have more than had my eyes on for a long time. And I did an in search of post, and somebody, lovely person, had this completely still sealed. She still had this shipping box even, and so sent it to me. So without further ado, it is this gorgeous Mandie Manzano. There we go. That's that original artwork. So beautiful. Let's get this in here with some focus. There we go. There it is. Isn't she gorgeous? It is a round. It is a 47 by 68, so a little bit smaller. It does have one AB, and just a moment and I will show you the canvas, but just wanted to show you the box and what comes in here. It is that awesome holographic. It gives you the image, the original artwork. There is a scan code that will give you some more goodies. There are directions for how to diamond paint on the back that kind of gives you that step-by-step with a pictorial and what your kit contents are. And there you go. So that is the box. And this is her. Can we just talk about this beautiful princess? Okay, so this canvas, like all Diamond Art Club canvases, there with the box tipping over, is so velvety soft. It is such a high quality. I cannot get over it. And so even these older canvases, you're not going to see a quality like this. I'm going to take you up so that you can completely see her gorgeousness. Oh my word. And here's your legend. And as you can see, as I get a little closer, the field is so crystal clear. These symbols are so easy to read. You've got, because it is a round kit, you've got those circles that kind of give you a little halo guide. Makes it a little more beginner friendly. Do what makes your sparkle. Diamond Art Club branding. And then of course the legend on the other side. And you do have a lifetime warranty if you're the original purchaser. Unfortunately, since I am not the original purchaser, as this is an older kit, it does void the warranty. But I've never had any issues with Diamond Art Club, so I am not concerned. And this is the social media. If you want to check them out, please do. They're amazing. And everything that you would want to know. Now, I will let you know that in the newer kits, in this bottom corner, you will see the licensing that gives you the assurance that the artist has been fairly compensated for their work. I will tell you that Diamond Art Club does not do any unlicensed agreements or any art theft, which is a problem in the hobbying and craft community. So you can always purchase with confidence, even in these older kits, that the artist has been fairly compensated. And as I said, this particular kit is a Mandie Manzano, and she is one of the originals, as it were, for Diamond Art Club, and gives such beauty to her stained glass style, and it just renders so beautifully to a diamond painting, and this is no exception. So this is my ultimate unicorn. This is one of the ones that was coveted, and I just really could not wait. And plus we have Emerald and Fairy Lights Princess Along event that is going on this summer, and because she is a daughter of the king, my friends, she qualifies as a princess, as all do you. So anyway, I'm excited. I can't wait to get started on her. I cannot start her as my next WIP work in progress quite yet, because I am doing a custom for a friend, actually for a gift for my niece for her graduation. So I need to finish that. And then as soon as I do, this beauty will be kitted up, and I cannot wait to see how gorgeous she is. The ABs are just stunning. And these round drills, I want you to look at this quality. I mean, I'm not going to open this all, but there's a little peek at the ABs. And you're just, even in the 310s, you're just not seeing any inconsistency in size. You're not seeing any trash. It's just gorgeous colors here, and in the consistency and quality that you can expect with Diamond Art Club. So I am excited to really dive into this. You can hear my kids in the background. I apologize. 'Tis mom life. But let me know if you have any questions. She is still listed on Diamond Art Club's website, so she has not been completely discontinued. At some point, she will be restocked. I just got impatient. So if you are looking for her and saying, oh my goodness, I need her too, couple of things. You can get in one of the groups and see if somebody has her on hand and is wanting to destash. Or you can put it in your favorites on Diamond Art Club's website, and they will notify you when she has been restocked. The work is called Who You Say I Am. Thanks, everybody, and I can't wait to get started. Bye.